welcome. You have been walking across the highest part of the nature reserve, the border of which is defined by the presence of floral species typical of our hills, as well as philanthropic plants, that is to say, plants that have originated in domestic gardens before spreading to the wild, finding the perfect conditions for their survival in this zone. If you cast a look around you, you should be able to spot the acacia, a tree that is much appreciated by bees who produce exquisite honey thanks to the nectar from their flowers. This is an exotic species, that is to say, a species that does not belong to the natural Italian species, imported in 1601 from North America, where it grows in the wild in the forests of Carolina and Virginia. This importation was carried out by Jean Robin, a botanist and curator of the Royal French Botanic Garden, and from France it sped to the whole of Europe. As well as the acacia, you should also be able to see another exotic species, the acanthus, a plant known for having inspired Greek sculptors in the design of the famous Corinthian capitals. Furthermore, you have before you some examples of tree species typical of the region, such as the laurel, the sacred plant of Apollo that in Greek-Roman culture symbolized wisdom and glory, the hawthorn, whose splendid blooms you can see in the spring, and even dogwood, a species typical of shady habitats that, on account of the hard quality of its wood, was used by farmers to build the spokes in the wheels of ancient carriages.